Okay, hear me out. This is your sadness, this is tech news, and I do something like this and boom, sadness gone. Hello everyone and welcome to Newstown. I'm your host Harris and today we got some juicy news. Let's get started. Whoa, what? Corsair just revealed their brand new Bendable OLED Ultrawide gaming monitor. As we know, curved gaming monitors are new, but this one is an exception. Corsair has revealed a new monitor called the Xeneon Flex OLED with a unique twist, which you can tell by the name. So yeah, this monitor looks like a flat 45-inch 21:9 1440p 240Hz ultrawide OLED panel made by LG. But since it's made out of OLED, it has the ability to bend into a curved panel. Now, of course, bendable screens aren't that new either, like folding phones have existed for years, but it's new to the monitor wall. The curve on the Xeneon Flex is user adjustable to a maximum curvature of 800 with handles on either side of the panel to bend it. So you can either just keep the monitor perfectly flat for working and curved for gaming. Not only that, it's equipped with a 0.03 milliseconds response time with G-Sync and FreeSync premium compatibility. The panel also features a 1000 nit peak brightness ready for HDR. Sadly, no info on the price nor availability, but they did say that it will come sometime next year. Just like this one, as T-Mobile and SpaceX are teaming up to beam 5G directly to your phone from space. T-Mobile and SpaceX just held an announcement event at Starbase, Texas, and in this surprise event, the companies announced a vision for the future where dead zones would effectively be eliminated by using SpaceX Starlink satellites to provide backup coverage in areas where there's no cellular coverage, so areas like national parks, remote locations in the US, or even out in the ocean, which of course having no cellular signal could be dangerous in emergency situation. So this program is aimed to solve the biggest pain point in the industry, said T-Mobile CEO Mike. So this partnership has a vision that this is the end of mobile dead zones, as he stated more than 500,000 square miles of America is still uncovered. And yeah, he claims that as long as you have a clear view of the sky, you'll be connected to T-Mobile's network on your smartphone. But sadly, this program will go online for a beta test later in 2023 with public launch in 2024. So that's still a long time. Just like this segment, but we still got it. Speed round! What? Sony just hiked the PlayStation 5 price in nearly all regions, making it 10% more expensive. Sony have announced that it will increase the price of its PlayStation 5 consoles in nearly all regions due to global economic environment as well as high inflation rates, which is surprising since this is a very uncommon practice for console makers. So yeah, the price increase is said to be around 10% in Europe, Middle East, Africa, Canada, Japan, Asia Pacific, and Latin America. So the only market that will not see any change is the US, probably because US dollars are strong. Just like Microsoft, as they'll not increase its Xbox prices anytime soon, unlike Sony, which once again very surprising. So yeah, Microsoft will not follow Sony's route with its Xbox Series X and S machines, as the people in Windows Central asked Microsoft about its plans concerning the prices of its latest Xbox consoles, and they responded with a very PR statement.
We are constantly evaluating our business to offer our fans great gaming options. Our Xbox Series S suggested retail price remains $299 and the Xbox Series X at $499.
So yeah, Microsoft has no plans to hike the product's price for now. But But sadly, Xiaomi got plans to make Redmi phone ships without charger. Wow! Xiaomi just announced its Redmi Note 11 SE in India recently, and while most people are talking about the specs, Xiaomi's India's official page confirmed that the phone will ship without a charger. No! Well, technically they did it a long time ago with their Mi 11 in China, but now it's spreading to its Redmi lineup, and it's quite sad. Good news though, they'll still have the option to give a free charger if you request for it. For now. Alright, that should be enough for today, so you gotta come back on Monday for more juicy tech news like this one and subscribe so you won't miss it. Cool? Peace out.